Hi. In the previous video, I showed how we had created this view using the Microsoft Threat Hunting API. The view currently only contains information from Microsoft, but it could easily contain data from other sources as well. For example, Security Trails. Security Trails is a service that provides intel information on IP addresses and domain names. In this case, I'm interested in details about the domain of the sender of emails, so I'll add that endpoint together with a variable in a square bracket together with a test value that I will use later. I then pull the entire schema of the response. This is to help me interpret the response that we get from this endpoint. With that done, I can define how to visually present this information with an icon and also with the title. And once this view has been created, I can decide which other information I want to include in it. In this case, I want to add A records, IP addresses associated with this domain. This is a JSON field which I can easily parse, both to make it look nicer, but also to be able to make additional connections later using these IP addresses. But for now, I want to add a link from the emails to this new information. I will use that using the sender domain fields on the email side and this variable that I created on the security trail side. With this link created, I can decide if and how I want to include it in emails. I want to add it as a property so that it's presented together with the email itself. The system will automatically figure out how to gather the information that I request, but I can decide how to present it, and I can also make changes to the suggested configuration. However, this looks good, so I'll save that. And with those clicks, I have added information from security trails into the emails coming from the Threat Hunting API, of course, with complete sourcing.